Hi guys. Hello. How are you? Okay, now let's talk about Lincoln Penny 1980D. Now, first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 1980D. Okay, at the reverse of the coin, United States of America. E pluribus unum. 1 cent. Next. Now, let's see if this coin has an error. Finding error, errors or error. Okay. Finding errors. No error at the reverse. What about at the reverse side of the coins? Okay. Let's see if this coin has an error. In God we trust. Okay. The wheel, little die chip error or a little damage. But it's only a common error. Liberty, 1980, no. The ear, the nose. Image, no error. This coin has no error, okay? Now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1980D Lincoln Penny. Okay? Here we go. 1980D Lincoln pennies are worth 2 to 3 cents each. Uncirculated pieces are worth 10 cents to 30 cents each. But the most valuable 1980D penny took a whooping $546 at a 2008 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.